very familiar. But I can't remember why.
Ben, come on. We're getting out of here and we're not leaving empty-handed. But Jimmy.
A lifetime of search. But at long last, I can touch it.
You know what's strange? I can't tell you how frustrating this is, Jimmy, because there's something that's just, it's nagging at the back of my mind.
Captain Flint?
In the flesh. Well, sort of, except for skin, organs, or anything that resembles flesh. That's not there. And yet it's so odd, you know? I mean, I remember there was something horrible Flint didn't want anyone else to know, but I can't remember what it was. Oh, a mind is a terrible thing to lose. Oh.
Ben, I think I just found your mind. Hold still.
Oh, Jimmy, your hands are very, very cold out there. And
Whoa!
hello. You know, Jimmy, I was just thinking. It's all flooding back. All my memories. Right up until Flint pulled my memory circuit so I could never tell anybody about his booby trap. Speaking of which, Flint wanted to make sure that nobody could ever steal his treasure, so he rigged his whole planet to blow higher than a Calypsian kite! Run, Jimmy! Run for your life!
You go back and help the captain and Doc. If I'm not there in 5 minutes, leave without me.
I am not leaving my buddy, Jimmy! Unless he looks at me like that. Bye, Jim!
All my life I dreamed of an adventure like this. I'm just sorry I couldn't have been more helpful to you.
Oh, don't be daft. You've been very helpful. Truly.
I feel like such a useless weakling. With abnormally thin wrists. Excuse me, brutish pirate. Yes, you. I have a question. Is it that your body is too massive for your teeny tiny head, or is it that your head is too teeny tiny for your big fat body?
I pummel you good!
Yes, I'm sure you will. But before you do, I have one more question. Is this yours?